Hi guys, I am Roshan Nandurkar and you are watching my YouTube channel Java and Python Geeks. So the next interview question, it may ask you what is a synchronization or what is single thread execution or thread safe execution guys. Okay, single threaded method or thread safe method guys. Okay, thread safe method or thread safe execution guys. Okay, so this may ask you an interview room guys. Okay, so synchronization. Okay, so any method we can write synchronized method by using synchronize keyword guys. Okay, which keyword we have to use? Synchronize keyword. To write a single threaded method we have to use synchronize keyword guys. Okay, so what is the use of single threaded method or synchronized method guys? Until the complete execution of currently executing thread. Until the complete execution of currently executing thread. Okay, or we can say until the complete execution of previous thread. We can say previous thread guys. Okay, until the complete execution of previous thread. Okay, synchronize method, we will say synchronize method not allow another thread to come and execute the body of synchronized method guys. Okay, synchronized method not allow another thread to come and execute the body of synchronized method guys. Okay, so we can explain with one example guys. Let's say we write one message class. Let's say we write one message class, and then in message class we write one show method. This show method will receive one name at here. Okay, and then after we are printing. Okay, we are not using println at here. Okay, so cursor will be at same line guys. Okay, so now we set system.out.print and we are going to print good morning, and after 5 seconds of pause we are printing the name of that. Okay, we are printing the name. Okay, so this name will be the name of the thread guys. Okay, so now this is the okay body of show method guys. Okay, then after okay, we will write one class at here. We will say class. Okay, class A104 and extends okay thread class at here. Extends thread class at here. Okay, extend thread class at here. Okay, and then in thread class we will write one constructor. Okay, we will say thread. Okay, thread please receive the object of message class, message m. Okay, so what is message m? Okay, this will be the message m. Okay, so now okay, constructor name is wrong, so we said A104. Okay, and please receive the object of message class, and then by using this, okay, this one we will say start. Okay, please start. Okay, please start. Okay, thread please start your execution. Thread please start your execution. Okay, then after okay we will override run method at here. Okay, whichever thread will come at here. Okay, whichever thread will come at here. Okay, so we will say one private message. Okay, and m at here. Okay, we will say what we will say, this dot m is equals to m guys. Okay, and then we will say m dot show method we will call. Okay, and whichever thread will come at here we will say thread dot current thread dot okay get name. Okay, we are passing the thread name from this run method guys. Got it guys? So this is the okay A104 class. Okay, so now we will create thread. So we will say before that one message class object message m1 is equals to new message. Okay, now then after we will create a thread. We will say okay, we will create the object of this class A104. Okay, A104 A1 first thread. Okay, new A104. Okay, so we are passing the object of message class because this A104 class required the object of which class? Okay, message class object. Okay, so class A104. Okay, then we will create second thread. We will say A2. Okay, so we are passing the same object. Okay, message class. Okay, once we created message class object, so that object we will pass in every thread object. So we will say okay one more A3. Okay, so now we will register the name of thread by using super constructor. We will say okay the name of the thread we will pass from here. we will say Nagpur. Second thread name we will pass, like for example Pune. Third thread name we will pass, from here we will say Mumbai. Okay, so Nagpur, Pune and Mumbai, and then we will receive the thread name at here. We will say name, and we will say name of the thread, please register. Okay, by using super constructor. We will say this dot image equals to m. Okay, and then we are calling which method? Start method. Start method will call this run method, guys. Got it? So now run file, you will see the output, guys. You will see the output. Good morning, good morning. This may be the good morning of Nagpur thread or Pune thread. Okay, or Mumbai thread, or Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, or Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune. Okay, but later on Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai. Run file. You can see, guys. Okay, after 5 seconds, okay, we can have, okay, Pune, Nagpur, Mumbai, Nagpur, Pune, Mumbai, or Mumbai, Pune, Nagpur, guys. Got it? Okay, but if we write this show method as a synchronized method, okay, synchronized method. Okay, so before that you can see, guys, so all three thread executing in 5 seconds, because this show method was multi-threaded method. Okay, but if we write this method as a synchronized method, so now run file, guys. Okay, you will see, guys, first thread will come good morning. Okay, whichever thread will come. Okay, Nagpur, Pune or Mumbai. So this was the good morning of Nagpur thread, Nagpur. Okay, then after good morning, okay, then Mumbai, then good morning, then after Pune, guys. Okay, so now you can see, guys, so each thread executing in 5 seconds, guys. Okay, each thread executing. Once any thread come into this show method, okay, another thread cannot come for 5 seconds, because we are taking 5 second pause here. Such a method is called synchronized method. Okay, so in this way we can write synchronization, guys. Got it, guys? So this is all about synchronization, okay, or synchronized method, or single threaded method, or thread step method, guys. Got it? So if you like this video, guys, so please like, share and subscribe to your friends, guys. Thank you, guys.